Today, my topic for the presentation is Concept of Culture, its Dimensions, and Relationship between Culture and Education. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us first try to understand. Concept of Culture. Culture refers to the complex set of beliefs, customs, practices, values, norms, traditions, language, symbols, and material artifacts that are shared by a group of people and passed down from generation to generation. It shapes individuals' perceptions, behaviors, and interactions, serving as a guiding framework for societal living. Culture is dynamic and evolves over time as societies change. It plays a crucial role in defining the identity of a group or society and influencing individual worldviews. Characteristics of culture. 1. Learned behavior. Culture is not innate, it is acquired through socialization and interaction within a group or society. Example: language, traditions, and etiquette are learned behaviors passed from one generation to another. 2. Shared and collective. Culture is shared by members of a group, creating a sense of unity and belonging. Example: national festivals like Independence Day or regional traditions such as harvest festivals. 3. Dynamic and evolving. Culture is not static, it evolves over time due to external influences, technological advancements, and internal innovation. Example: changes in clothing styles and communication methods due to globalization. 4. Symbolic. Culture relies on symbols such as language, art, and rituals to convey meaning and communicate within a society. Example: national flags, religious symbols, and traditional dances. 5. Integrated. Different aspects of culture, such as economic, social, and religious systems, are interconnected and influence each other. Example: the impact of religious beliefs on dietary practices. 6. Universal and specific. While culture is universal to all human societies, its specific forms and expressions vary widely across different groups. Example: every society has art and music, but the styles and instruments vary. 7. Preservative. Culture serves as a repository of historical knowledge and traditions, preserving the identity and heritage of a group. Example: folklore, oral traditions, and historical monuments. 8. Adaptive. Culture helps societies adapt to their environment and changing circumstances. Example: technological innovations like the use of renewable energy. Dimensions of culture. Culture is multifaceted, and its various dimensions help us understand its complexity. These dimensions include: 1. Material culture refers to tangible, physical objects and artifacts created by a society, such as buildings, tools, art, and technology. Example: monuments, clothing styles, and transportation systems. 2. Non-material culture encompasses intangible aspects such as language, beliefs, values, norms, and ideologies. Example: religious practices, ethical principles, and linguistic diversity. 3. Social culture involves the patterns of social interaction, relationships, and roles within a society. Example: family structures, kinship systems, and community organization. 4. Ideological culture includes the values, beliefs, and philosophies that define a society's way of thinking. Example: concepts of democracy, freedom, and justice. 5. Symbolic culture represents the use of symbols to communicate and understand societal norms and values. Example: national flags, language, and gestures. 6. Cultural universals, elements of culture that are common across all human societies. Example: marriage, religious practices, and language. 7. Cultural diversity refers to the variety of cultures that exist within a society or the world at large. Example, different cuisines, languages, and traditions. 8. Cultural change. Culture is not static. It changes over time due to internal and external factors such as innovation, globalization, and social movements. Relationship between culture and education. Culture and education are deeply interconnected, influencing and shaping each other. Education plays a pivotal role in the transmission and preservation of culture, while culture provides the context and framework within which education occurs. 1. Education as a means of cultural transmission. Education serves as a tool for transmitting cultural values, traditions, language, and knowledge from one generation to the next. Example, schools teach students about national history, folklore, and cultural customs. 2. Culture shapes the aims of education. Cultural context determines the goals and objectives of education within a society. Example, in collectivist cultures, education emphasizes social harmony and cooperation, whereas individualistic cultures focus on personal achievement. 3. Culture influences the curriculum. The curriculum reflects the cultural priorities of a society, including language, religion, art, and science. Example, in India, textbooks incorporate local traditions and philosophies like Gandhi's principles of nonviolence. 4. Education as a vehicle for cultural change. Education is not only about preserving culture but also about fostering cultural change and innovation. Example, educational programs promoting gender equality and technological literacy lead to social transformation. 5. Role of language in education and culture. Language, a key component of culture, is the medium through which education is delivered. Example, multilingual education systems preserve linguistic diversity and promote cultural understanding. 6. Education and cultural adaptation. Education helps individuals adapt to cultural changes and globalization while maintaining their cultural identity. Example, inclusion of global perspectives in curricula alongside indigenous knowledge. 7. Cultural differences in teaching methods. Pedagogical approaches vary across cultures, reflecting different attitudes toward authority, knowledge, and learning. Example, Asian cultures often emphasize teacher-centered learning, while Western cultures promote student-centered approaches. 8. Development of cultural competence. Education fosters cultural competence, enabling individuals to interact effectively in diverse cultural settings. Example, exchange programs and multicultural curricula prepare students for global citizenship. 9. Cultural context and discipline. Disciplinary approaches in education are influenced by cultural values regarding authority and individual freedom. Example, collectivist societies may prefer stricter discipline, while individualistic societies value self-regulation. 10. Education as a tool for socialization. Education socializes individuals into their cultural roles and responsibilities. Example, schools teach civic values and the importance of contributing to society. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. 1. What is culture? A. A set of biological traits. B. A complex of learned behaviors, beliefs, and values shared by a group. C. A scientific theory about human development. D. An individual's personal habits. Answer, B2. Which of the following is an example of material culture? A. Language. B. Values. C. Technology. D. Beliefs. Answer, C. 3. Non-material culture includes A. Buildings. B. Traditions. C. Vehicles. D. Tools. Answer, B4. Cultural diversity refers to A. A lack of culture in a society. B. Variations in cultural elements across societies. C. Uniform cultural practices worldwide. D. Absence of cultural norms. Answer B. 5. What role does education play in cultural transmission? A. It destroys culture. B. It preserves and transmits culture across generations. C. It replaces culture with modernity. D. It promotes inequality. Answer B6. Which aspect of culture influences the educational curriculum? A. Material culture. B. Non-material culture. C. Technological advancements. D. Social class. Answer B. 7. Which of the following represents cultural change? A. Adoption of smartphones. B. Preservation of ancient artifacts. C. Study of ancient languages. D. Ritual practices remaining unchanged. Answer A. 8. What is the relationship between education and cultural diversity? A. Education promotes uniformity. B. Education ignores cultural differences. C. Education fosters inclusion and respect for diversity. D. Education eliminates cultural diversity. Answer C. 9. Education helps in cultural integration by A. Promoting common values and norms. B. Dividing people into cultural groups. C. Eliminating individual cultures. D. Avoiding discussions on culture. Answer A. 10. Which of the following is a cultural universal? A. Internet usage. B. Writing systems. C. Marriage. D. Fashion trends. Answer C. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.